this is MK and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Physical Universe with Zero. For update of my upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Now let us start our topic of discussion, Introduction to Physics. Have you ever think about some of the basic questions regarding physics, such as what is physics, where can you find more about physics, from where does the physics come, why it is important to understand physics, what is the easiest way to learn physics? Well, we can find answer to such questions from different resources, but those answers may not be useful for us as they may be different from our understandings. In physics, what is important that is your own concept and not what is written inside your books. So let us try to develop our own concept regarding these basic questions one by one. So question number 1 is, what is physics? There are different definitions or statements which is used to answer this question, and you can find them in different books. But what is your answer? Is it possible to define physics in a single or simple sentence, or it's not? You can try it. According to the book's definition, physics is that part of science which includes information related to the study of all the phenomena, whether those phenomena are natural or artificial. That doesn't matter. If one will ask me to define physics in a single sentence, then I would like to say that everything that exists or even sometimes look like it's do not exist within or beyond this universe is physics. Now you may try to reform your own definition. The shortest form of summary of all the definitions of physics may be like everything is physics, or one can say that physics is everything. But why one have to think like everything is physics? Its answer is hidden inside the discussion for our second question. So let us try to answer our second question of the discussion. Where can you find more about physics? If you will tell anyone to answer this question, often people will told you that the correct answer to this question is from books or even from internet. Of course, books and internet are the most used and fastest way to collect more information about physics, but they do not provide you more practical knowledge or experience. That is why you have to write those informations to memorize them. Now the question arises, so from where we need to learn more about physics, which is more profitable for us? Well, the answer to this question is from everywhere around us. Yes, that's true. To learn more about physics, you don't have to wait for books or anything else, because physics is everywhere and all the time working around us, starting from inside of an atom to the outside of our universe. Inside you, even in the art of making chapati, or what we call roti in Hindi, in our kitchen, there is physics. While you are sleeping or sitting on the bench of your classroom, still physics is there with you. While you are playing in ground, the physics is also playing with you. In your lunchbox, inside your kitchen, even now when you are watching this video, there is a lot of physics happening around you. Every time and everywhere inside each and every activity there is more and more physics. So if you want to know more about physics, you have to only choose any one activity that's happening around you and then carefully observe the changes and analyze the possible reasons behind those activities or changes. You will find that there are much physics involved in each and every activity. Through this way you can learn easily and effectively more about physics. If you will try this way of learning, you will feel that physics is everything, and it's not a boring but a very very interesting subject to learn. Now, as we have discussed that physics is everything and is happening everywhere all the time, a new question arises that if physics is everywhere, then from where does it come? Which is our next question of the discussion. So let us try to answer this question. From where does the physics come? To answer this question, first we need to understand what is the sole reason behind all the phenomena that is happening around us. Well, many physicists are still working to figure out what is the sole reason which is responsible for everything that we have in this universe, and the ultimate reason for all the physics happening around us is still to be discovered. Till now we only know that there are the four fundamental forces that exist in this nature, which are the reason behind all the interactions involved in phenomena happening around us. However, this answer is not complete but only partial and is acceptable up to some extent. Now let us move towards our fourth question of the discussion. Why it is important to understand physics? We have discussed that physics is everywhere and inside each and everything. So if you want a clear understanding regarding nature around us, or any phenomena happening around you, or any of the part of science, whether it's chemistry, biology, math, geography, etc., physics will be always helpful. So you have to learn physics if you want to understand those in a better way. Without physics, you will never be able to achieve the maximum of desired knowledge or perform a task easily. That's why you need to know the physics which is involved in your daily life. For example, you will never know why and how the chapati or roti being made by your mother in your kitchen becomes circular. Or you know that. Well, if you don't know the answer, then physics can tell you how your chapati or roti becomes circular. This is only one of the example of importance of physics in life. Let us now discuss our fifth question. What's the easiest way to learn physics? I think now you can answer this question. We have already discussed about that in our above discussion. If you want a quick and easiest way to gain some information, then you can go through the books or internet. But remember that those information will not remain permanent in your memory. What you have to do next is to gain some practical experience related to that topic, such that the knowledge can stay permanently inside your mind, for which you can observe some activities or phenomena that happening around you. You can start from the phenomena that's happening inside your home. But while going for practical experience, be careful and take necessary precaution to prevent from any loss. I hope this video will help you to improve your interest and understandings of physics. If you have any question or confusion regarding any topic of physics, please tell me in comment box below this video, and I will try to help you in my next video as soon as possible. To support, please subscribe my channel and share this video link. Thank you and have a nice day.